Australia just got hit with another rate hike, but how do you actually calculate what this costs you? Today, I'm walking through my Excel sheet to show you exactly how the math works. Grab a coffee, this is important. Let's plug in our numbers. For January 2026, starting rate is 3.6%. Equals PMT 3.6% divided by 12 times 30 times 12, comma, negative 600,000 gives us $2,728. This is our baseline, what we were paying before any hikes this year. Now February's hike to 3.85%. Watch what happens when we change just one thing, the interest rate. Same formula, new rate. Result, $2,813. The difference column shows us equals E11 minus D11 equals $85 more per month. Now March hike to 4.1%. Again, we update only the rate cell. New payment, $2,899. Difference from January equals E12 minus D12 equals $85. Notice February to March added $86. Now, here's where it gets real. Look at the bottom totals. We sum all monthly payments, equals sum E10 to E21, shows we'll pay $34,533 for the year, and equals sum F10 to F21 reveals the total extra. That's $1,798 more than if rates never moved. That's $1,798 less for groceries, less for savings, less for everything. Want this calculator for your own loan? Link in description. Hit subscribe for May's predicted